Susie, me I figure somebody there me yard gate.
But Natasha, you not tell me man name yet?
Susie, we call you later.
Me have to leave also. Later, Susie.
What going, dog? Me stress out, dog.
What's up, Bingy? Drinking is not the answer. Ease up off the drinking, man.
Me blunder star. Me cheat on Susie and put myself in a bad situation.
Yo, every man cheat. A simple thing that.
Yeah, it's simple till it mash up your good relationship.
Yo, what she find out? She love your man, she gonna take you back.
Boy, me not think so. When she find out how me this her for, she must done with me.
So yo, and somebody she know?
Boy, I don't know what come over me. It's her best friends.
Did you say her best friend, Bingy? But her ass mad, you mad?
Yes, them not say the two of them pregnant, but me not think of me. But me did go there without condom. Some of the times weakness take me over when me did for pull out.
Yo, Bingy, that fucked up. You should have never crossed the friendship line, star. Now, you don't know when you do them thing, this star, you have to wear a condom. What if the girl them have AIDS or something?
But them girl they are the road hard, you know, so it can be for anybody. Me just a pray Susie no find out. Me really don't want to lose her. Hello, Natasha. What you want?
Bingy, me want money for go doctor. But me have to eat more than 2 me I eat for.
Money to go to the doctor? For what?
Bingy, you think you'll get me pregnant and then ignore me?
Miss, I don't think it's me breed out. I don't want any more children. Plus me have my woman and children at home. You even sure I will breed out? Me know you want me and Susie left. That's why you never want me use condom. And I tell me say you're there on pill. Ras liar girl.
You never know you have a woman when you're in my bed. You boy, remember Susie bed you breed me in.
You could have breed from now till eternity. Me nah leave Susie for you. Crosses girl. My girl, get off my phone. You need to set up an appointment for an abortion.
About your mama bright. Let me dip up underneath you. Me don't know I'm going to do with you for. Come off from my phone and go grow some inches for your dick. Small.
Hey Susie, me lovely beautiful lady.
Bingy, come here a minute. Come sit down. We really need to have a talk.
Anything them girl they tell you is a lie.
Bingy, what you talking about? Nobody not tell me nothing. Is there something for me to know? Bingy, you have been acting very strangely lately and I'm very concerned. You have been tossing and turning in your sleep. You have nightmare. Look how you're maga. You're not even eating enough food. Look how you draw down in a few days. Bingy, you need to talk to me. It must be something that you can talk to me about. It cannot be that bad that you feel like you cannot come to me, your woman, and sit down and talk to me about. Look how you're maga and tan. Come on, Bingy, man.
Me good man. I just don't have no appetite.
Bingy, I am listening and I hear you, but honestly, I think this have a lot to do with more than appetite. Something is really wrong and I'm really worried. I really don't want to lose you and I don't want the kids to lose you. So you need to talk to us. Tell us if it's a disease you have, if a cancer or something. You don't keep it a secret. We are here to help you, but you need to eat. Look how you look maga and dry out, man. Come on, man. Your body look too cranny. You need to do something.
Hello, Susie.
Hey Keisha, wagwan, you know you just run by my mind. How are you and how is the pregnancy?
It's good, girl. It a grow upon me. I am getting to love it.
I'm glad to hear. See, I told you that it wasn't going to be that bad. Yeah, man, you're going to love it.
It sound down in your voice. Everything okay?
It's Bingy, man. I am concerned. Something really wrong with him, yeah, Keisha. The boy not eat and he not sleep. I don't know what wrong with him. And he look kind of really sick. You know, like say, something do him and him, I don't know, and he no want to tell me. I wonder if maybe if a cancer I have or some of them terminal disease there and he no want to tell me.
So ask him what's the problem.
Boy, Keisha, me tired fi ask him. But it seems like a something he don't really want to talk to me about, and a something him no want me fi know. So me just have to leave him and see if he will come around eventually. But boy, me no love how he look, man. It a worry me brain and me pressure go up. But me I try my best, me I try my very best to take care of him. Me all I think say me I go all cut off the friendship with Romain. Yeah man, me I cut off the friendship with Romain and focus on my family 100%. Cause me little family, we have a problem, but we kinda nice and alright on the other hand. So me I go left Romain and commit myself to Bingy 100% and see if he will feel happier.
Or maybe you should leave Bengi and settle down with Romain.
Keisha, you know what I don't understand? You and Natasha always a force me to left Bingy. Listen, Bingy is the father to my children. Romain live all the way foreign. Romain not even know say me have children. So why you and Natasha not tell me if you try and work out things with Bingy, always a force me to left him. Come on, man. Bingy is the father to my children. What is it? Come on, man. Stop it.
Keisha,
Bengi, from you find out that I am pregnant, I haven't seen or heard from you.
when the baby born and the DNA say that I am the father, then I'll consider it. You don't think an abortion would be better? Right now, me no need to see you.
Bengi, I thought you loved me, and what we have is special.
Keisha, how love coming at this? You know me have my family.
But you told me you loved me when we were in bed.
Keisha, you want me to tell you I love you, and I did. It was just sex for me.
Well, I'm going to tell Susie. And if I can't have you, well, she can't have you either.
Why you want to hurt Susie? Isn't she your best friend?
I am going to make sure you lose her too. If it's the last thing I do, Bingy.
Barry, I want to talk to you about something.
Oh, what is it? Let me see if me can help.
How much you think to hire a hitman?
Hitman for a boss, man. Bingy, you must see a drink mad puss piss.
I have two problems I want to get rid of.
Oh, what you mean by two problems?
The two girl them will say they are pregnant for me. I can't allow them to mash up my relationship with Susie. Susie a good girl and I can't afford to lose my woman. So I want them dash away before Susie find out or before the baby born.